Hello everyone, I'm Molly and today I'm here to give you an introductory tutorial on how to use the Consultant Aide app. Whether you're a new user, checking out the app to see what it's about, or having difficulties using the app, this video should help you get started on posting your inventory pictures with ease. So today I'll be running through each and every step to successfully edit your inventory pictures. Follow my tutorial from start to finish and I know you'll get the hang of it. So this is the main page of the Consultant Aide app. If you select Find Us on Facebook below, it'll lead you directly to the Consultant Aide Facebook page. So when you first make it to the main page, you will find two options. You can take pictures of your inventory, or you can use previously stored inventory pictures. So I have previously saved my inventory pictures to Photo Library, so I'm going to select that. So once you've selected or taken your picture of your inventory, you have the option of using the square function or portrait. In order to get rid of the white lines at the top and bottom of the screen, just use two fingers to zoom in or zoom out. So when you've selected the picture you would like to use, go into Style Selector, which is the dress icon in the bottom left-hand screen. So there are three different ways to identify what style you are using. You can go to the search engine at the top and put in the style that you are looking for. You can scroll through and identify which style you would like to use. And if you don't see the style that you want, you can go in to the Add button and you can there select the style, price, and size of your item. Also, I should mention that at the top left hand of the screen, there is a filter button. This lets you choose the brand that you are selling, whether it's LuLaRoe, Honey and Lace, or both. This will help you search for the specific styles of that brand. Once you have selected the brand that you're going to be using, you don't have to select it ever again, but you can always change it with the same button at the top left-hand corner. For today, I'm only using LuLaRoe items, so I've selected LuLaRoe, finished, and these are all the items of LuLaRoe that I can choose from. So in this picture today, I have 3 items. I have a Sarah, size medium, add to editor. I also have leggings. They are one size. Add to editor. And I have a Carly. To note, if the size that you're looking for is not on the main screen, simply scroll to the right and there will be more sizes to identify. Now that I've selected all the styles that I would like to use, I'm going to go into the settings function at the bottom right-hand corner, right next to the check mark. This is where I can choose the different colors and settings that I would like. The primary color will be the background color of your label. You can adjust the different functions here and play around to pick the color of your choosing. I really like purple, so I'm going to stick with that. Press save. If you don't want any color and you want this to be transparent, you pull it all the way to the left. To choose your primary font color, select this, and again, play around with the different settings. So secondary color is the background of the size and price labels. Again, move around with the different colors you want to use. Let's do green this time. Go. Save. And the secondary font color is the font color in the sizes and prices, just like the secondary color is the background color of those. I would like to keep that at white. And then for fonts, you choose your desired font style. I like to go with marker felt. And then font size, put it about medium. You can play around with the different sizes if you want it really large or really small. I'm satisfied with right around here. Secondary font, Probably want to make it a little smaller than your font size. So the collage size refers to the size of the inset picture. Most consultants use this to do close-up pictures. For the picture I've been using, I am going to do a collage just to do a close-up of the texture of the Sarah. Now here, if you turn on full width label, the label will stretch from left to right of the screen while the text remains centered. You simply select this button or unselect this button if you want prices. You can choose to watermark your photo with your desired text. Make sure this option is selected. Go like this. You would input the name of your boutique or your company and press save. And if you selected the watermark text, you can make it small or large depending on what you want. Watermark color options. Go here. Now if you choose to watermark your photo with your own custom watermark image, you can do that by choosing the watermark image option. And then from here, you select watermark image, and you take your watermark image from your saved files, you include it here. Then you can change the transparency from transparent to solid, depending on what you want. If you are using a watermark image, make sure it's 128 times 128 pixels. Once you're complete with all your settings, tap Dismiss at the top right-hand corner. From here you can move around your watermark, all your sizing options. Now that we are back to the image, let's talk about the rest of the buttons at the bottom. So this button is the watermark feature, and this will be grayed out if you have deselected it in the settings. Now the next item is the collage feature that I briefly described earlier. This will be used for close-ups of items. In order to use this feature, simply click on it, and you have the option of either taking a picture of the close-up item or using from your stored memory in photo library. So I am going to select from my photo library of a close-up item. Again, you can go into settings here and adjust the collage size by using this feature right here, up and down. I'm going to make my collage a little smaller so it fits better in the picture. Now if you wish to remove the collage, simply tap on the collage icon with the X. You can add more labels if you wish, or remove the ones you currently have by tapping the Remove Items at the top right-hand corner. Once you are satisfied with the picture, you simply press the green check mark. Now, every time you go into the app, it will start with the same settings you left it at, so you don't have to go back in and change it every time. Well, that's all for this video. If you have any items or functions that you're still confused about, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for using the Consultant Aide app.